Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you add or verify your physical address on Cash App. This can also help you verify your identity. First, open Cash App on your phone and make sure you are signed in. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Under Account section, Account and Settings, select Personal. At the top, you will see personal info, which says only you can see these details. We will use this info to help verify your identity. Tap Add an address, then enter your current address, cities, state, and zip code. When you are done, tap Next to save it. That's it. Your address is now added and Cash App can use it to help verify your identity. That's for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next